Add a frame, iPhone 13 mini, drag a picture, burger image, add a circle, give it a red color, shape it like this, cover the half of the screen, fix it to the center, resize the image, looks perfect. Now add a text. Are you hungry? Keep the size 40. 35 looks good. Change the font. We will keep Sarala. Fix it to the center. Add a rectangle. Give it a white color. Shape it like this. Give it a corner radius of 40. Duplicate it. Fill it with 37% white color. Duplicate again and again. Add auto layout. Fix it to the center. Add another rectangle for CTA. Give it a corner radius of 40. Fix it to the center. Now we are going to another website called Icon Founder. It offers free icon, so we will get one. This looks perfect. Drag it to the frame. Resize it. Fix it in the bar. Give it a red color. Add a text. Get started. Change the font into Poppins. Keep the size 20. Fix it to the center. Keep it semi-bold. Now give the frame a corner radius of 40. Add another frame. Give it the same corner radius and 92% blur. Add the text to the center. I have already got my logos. If you want them, you can get them from the website we got previously. And here we go. Drag it to the frame. Resize it. Add a background. Give it a corner radius of 2. We are going with 4. Resize it. Give the background a color of light red. Drag the location icon next to our text. Give it an auto layout. Change the location icon color into red and resize it. Drag the arrow icon. Also give it a color of red. Add a rectangle as a picture frame. Give it a corner radius of 5. You can add any image of person. Add a rectangle. Give it a corner radius of 40. Drag the search icon. Change the color into black and resize it in the bar. Add a text. Change the font into Poppins. keep the size 10 and change the color into very light gray and the bar color into white. Fix it to the center. Add another rectangle, give it a red color. Give it a corner radius of 11. Add a text. Fastest food. Then keep the size 21. Duplicate it. Change the text. Oh, it's a mistake. The fastest food delivery. Now it's right. Change the size into 25. Now we will add a CTA. Change the color. Give it a corner radius of 7. Add a text. Order now. Give it a size of 10 and change the color into red. Now I will copy my another images I have already got and paste. Drag my image into the frame. Resize it. Now add a circle. Give it a red color. Change it to the orange and shape it like this. Add it behind your image. Resize it. And duplicate it. Rotate it and resize it. And add it again. Drop a shadow. Add a text. Categories. Keep the size 18. Change the color into light black. Fix it in the frame. Add rectangle. Shape it like this. Give it a corner radius of 12. Fill it with white color and duplicate it for 5 times. Fix the spacing. Now drag the image. Resize it. Add a text. That's a lot. Keep the size 10 and fill it with light black. Drag another image, resize it, duplicate the text 5 times, change the text, drag images, resize it, and then add the image. You can add any food image and resize it. We're done. Now fix it. Add another rectangle. Drag the icons. Now add a circle in the center. Fill it with red color. Resize the icons. Fill the home icon with red color. Drag this icon into the center of the circle. Resize it. I forget to add that. Delete the last one. Add it next to our search bar. Change the color into red. It's done. Drop a shadow to the circle. Change the color into red. Blur it like this. And we're done.